Guys, it's the third time I'm recording this intro and I'm starting to be irritated. Okay, let me just put my cap like that. I'm gonna look funny though. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. The lighting is really bad, please bear with me. I'm gonna keep it short. It's late at night. It's the 17th of June. It's my mom's birthday. We're having a Braai bonfire. It's very chilled, nothing hectic. But we just kind of wanted to celebrate. We don't even have a cake, so yeah, that's just what we're gonna do. Yeah, come along.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, only you. Wanna be down with what you go through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. It's me again abusing my new turtleneck, but it's okay. So my cousin and I are from church. Today's a Sunday. So I thought Remo Block 3 Industrial, let's just pass by this shop. So last year I came here, I bought a fleece. Actually I bought two and some sweatpants and stuff. I really like them, so I thought let me come back. Last year I wanted the onesie, but I didn't buy one, but I'm looking for one this year, or a gown. So yeah, I just thought let me check them. My friend says she came here last week and they have really nice sweatpants, so I might get that as well. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I just got back home, or we just got back home. So we went to that shop. We didn't see anything interesting. But they have one onesie, but it's like a lion, literally the color, the hoodie, everything. So yeah, I didn't get that. They didn't have gowns. They have plenty of fleece. I don't need those, honestly. Well, maybe I do, but not today. So yeah, I got some leggings though. They look like they're really warm, so I will try them on and then I'm gonna shoot a little video and put it on the side so you guys can see if they fit me. But they look like they're stretched like a lot. So yeah, I just thought let me update you guys while I'm still here, because it's quite noisy inside the house and I don't want they honey. So we also passed by Choppies. We got a few things for Riley for this week. Yeah, come on back basically, so I won't even show you guys. It's just like yogurts, drinks, chips, yeah, just random stuff. I might go do shoppings in the during the week, so I'll take you guys with. Oh, I need to make my video live, guys. I was off YouTube for a good 3 weeks. Wasn't by choice, but yeah, I was there. Kinda yesterday I did my eyebrows. How do they look? I like them. I feel like I look pretty today. I took pictures, but I don't like them. So they don't look great. But I'm just gonna show you guys just NG. I'm gonna put it on the side here. Okay, enough for today. Let's go. I started a movie yesterday. I want to finish it. It's a South African movie. It seemed interesting, so yeah, we're gonna watch it together. Well, no, I'm gonna watch it and then we'll see. Let's go. I'm exhausted, can you tell? Hey guys, another day in the vlog. So today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, and my cousin and I are gonna go out. So yesterday I saw a post, yeah, like shopping, saying that they have a car mount, and I've been wanting one for when I vlog in the car or going somewhere or whatever. Then I can just simply use it, and it's cheap, so I'm gonna look for that. And then I'm hoping that I can find some slippers because it's like really cold. So yeah, and then we're gonna do a little bit of grocery shopping for the house. So I thought, I haven't been vlogging anything, so let me just take you guys with and let's go. I need to apply some lip therapy. Oh, and I did my nails the other day. Yesterday I did my nails yesterday. This is how they look. I got some help from my cousin to do the other hand, so this is what they look like. I hope you guys can see. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna put a coat on top of this. I'm wearing like a long sleeve top underneath. I'm wearing this turtleneck, then I'm gonna wear a coat on top because it starts cold today. It's really cold. August thing, yeah. But yeah, let's go, guys. Hey guys, so we managed to get the car mount. We tried to assemble it, but honestly, but it's okay. We will do that when we get home. If it doesn't work out, I'm gonna go back to the shop. They'll give me the one that's on display because they had one university by assembly and displayed it. So yeah, we are by Fours right now. We're gonna buy there because I think it's the cheapest shop. I think it's the cheapest shop at because special as a bonnet. I mean, coffee is like $60, and these days Jacobs you buy it for 100. To be honest, cooking oil alone, I think it's quite cheap here. But we'll see. I'm gonna take you guys with Raha. I think it's fairly new, the one in New Lobatsa Road. So yeah, let's go. The love I have for you guys is real, okay? So I came back home immediately when I got here, like every other woman out there, I'm sure. I took off my wig. Then I remembered, oh my god, I haven't updated the vlog. So yeah, I put it back on. So if you see any mishaps, I just know that. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So I was looking for a white long sleeved top or turtleneck because Sundays when I go to church, well, some Sundays I serve in the morning and it's really cold in the morning. So I need something white to put underneath my shirt because it's white. So I found something called Zola Mosese, the same complex here, like shopping. So like shopping is in Zola Mosese, the shop is complex. So like shopping is the shop that's in front behind the FNB ATM, the caravan. So I went to another shop that's by literally when you get into the mall. Like there's only one entrance into the mall. That shop so I got this long sleeved top. It's in a size small. I hope it's gonna fit. So I got this. It's not really warm, but it will do. So at first I saw this, and then when I went to G West, when I passed by G West, I didn't know I was gonna go to G West. Otherwise I'm going to look at this one. But I saw something better there. It's fine because I can still wear this one. I don't hate it because I saw that one. So yeah, this was it. I think this was 35 or 30. This was 30 or 35, yeah, in that shop. So what made me go to that shop, Harriet and I got the complex going to park by like shopping. I saw this cropped jersey. I hope this is gonna fit me. So you know this trend, yeah, shirt, like a shirt, people who wear shirt with this knitwear on top, it's usually sleeveless. So I just saw this and I thought of that. I'm like, actually I've been meaning to try that. So I will wear my shirt with this and then probably some very light pantyhose that I need to get from Pep actually, and then maybe some boots. Yeah, I think it's gonna look cute. I'm gonna put a picture on the side of my inspiration, or a couple of pictures of my inspiration. They only had this color, and honestly, like I'm saying, I hope it's gonna fit. Looks like it might fit me though. We don't know. I'll try it on. So it was 10 pula. This was 10 pula. So literally, I just had to get it. But I had to take it. It's $10. It's on the size 2. It's the only size they had. Otherwise, if they had more sizes, I was gonna size up from this. But yeah, so like I said, I went to G West after that, and then I found this turtleneck from the same shop that I bought my nude turtleneck. So it's a shop in G West, same line as Squad Metalworks, but it's the one on your right when you're facing Squad Metalworks. Literally, there's a saloon upstairs of the shop that I'm talking about. So it's by the construction. There are usually a couple of ladies, I think, from the salon sitting outside the shop. So yes, I found this one. It's quite big, but I think it will do. Has a turtleneck. It's a light material, but I like it. I really like it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's quite see-through, but like I'm saying, because it's a light material. But this is what I'll use. If anything, I'll put this one underneath and then put this one on top because of the turtleneck. And then I'll put my shirt and I'll be good to go. If I put a coat on top, warm. So yeah, this was also 35 pula in G West. So yeah, that's all I got. I'm gonna try put on my jersey. I'm just gonna put on the screen and tell you guys if it fits me or not. I can't. I need to take off my wig. I wanna eat. My cousin is making fries, so I need to eat. So bye. Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is a Saturday and I'm actually driving to church. We're having a little something. I'll tell you guys how I get again because I'm literally 2 minutes away and I'm late. But I just wanted to start this vlog right now before arriving so that it's not messy, like I always say. So yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog. We'll see. So yeah, let's go. It's so gloomy today and Gabir. Hey guys, I'm back home. As you can tell, it's been a couple of hours. Um, so yeah, I know I said I was gonna vlog, but I couldn't. Honestly, when you're listening and concentrating, it's really hard for you to vlog. So I honestly remembered that I said I was gonna vlog, but I said that I did. So sorry, but we had an advance. So yeah, it's just advancing the kingdom of God, you know, just learning what we are supposed to do as ministries or when we serve in the house of God, just to be reminded or to remind ourselves why we serve in the house of God. So I think it's just something that we need to do, or we needed to have, more so that we're building like a new church, a bigger church. We need to be, you know, okay, we need to be right with the spirit, because we're obviously going to be dealing with a lot more people, a larger number of people. So yeah, we need to be straight. As the pastors, we're literally just talking about things that we relate to on a day-to-day basis. Literally everything that I've learned from, you know, the sermons every Sunday, or just from serving at church or attending home cell, or everything that we do basically in the church, is something that has helped me or groomed me, you know, to be a better person for myself personally, and just dealing with other people, to be very honest. So yeah, man, I really learned a lot. Excellence. So yeah, I was meant to meet with my friend Melinda after church, but she's not feeling well. She has a flu. So I'm not trying to catch the flu, honey. So we decided to reschedule. We don't know when we're gonna meet. We're gonna make little pizza from home, just chill indoors because it's obviously cold. But I'm not too mad about that, because Bakang was like, girl, let's just have a little staycation, Yana, you know. She's actually at the guest house right now. She's been there, I think, since yesterday. So I'm just gonna join her for today or tonight, and then I'm gonna leave tomorrow. So yeah, she's at the studio. I think it's called the studio guest house, or a studio something. We'll see when we get there. She sent me the pin location and everything. I just packed my bags, so I'm gonna leave, gonna sleep there, obviously going to church from the guest house tomorrow. So I thought, let's go, you know. I just wanted to fill you guys in before I go. So yeah, I think I packed everything. I packed really warm. Yeah, so let's go, guys.
for. This is what you left me for. I know there's no greater feeling than the love of family. Where can you go? That's the one place that you'll find.
Hey guys, it's another day in the vlog. Honestly, I'm just here to close off the vlog, but I thought it wouldn't be right if I didn't like fill you guys in or just conclude everything that happened in this vlog, because I did realize that at some point I wasn't communicating. I was just vlogging whatever I could vlog and I never said anything. So yeah, I think you guys might have seen that on Saturday when I said I was going to church. I met with my friend Taps. We got some snack packs. It was really cold, so we decided to pass by KFC and get some coffee. We managed. I told you guys how the advance was. Really loved it. Looking forward to having more of these, because they're so important in my opinion. They're really important. So yeah, I went to the guest house. I met with Adrizi. We had a chilled night, really. I ate some oxtail and dumplings. I forgot to vlog, honestly, because we were with her cousin and her friend. So I was really in the moment. But I tried to vlog around the guest house, just show you guys what I could. The place is beautiful. It's really chilled. It's nice. I wish I can go there in summer so that I can be able to use the pool and stuff like that. But it's a really cool place. I met Benge, one of the workers. She's such a nice lady. So she packed my breakfast, because obviously I had to go to church very early in the morning. I think I left the guest house around like 7 or 7. Yeah, I had to be at church at 7. I was a little bit late. But I think they served breakfast up until like 10. So she was kind enough to just dish everything and just leave it in the room. So apparently Adrizi ate some of the breakfast. There was like a yogurt and stuff, but she left me like the breakfast. I did shoot a video for you guys, and some fruits. There was yogurt and cereal and all of that, like coffee. I didn't have all that. I just took one day afterwards. I was with my friend Caitlin, just took the takeaway, and then I went to her house. So like I'm saying, I went to Caitlin's house. I was with Caitlin and Taps, and then we went to KFC later on in the day. Well, Taps and I went to KFC later on in the day. We just got some takeaways, went back to her house, ate. So that's really what happened. That's what I was vlogging, to be honest. So before I close off this vlog, the Fix is having a sale. I'm just gonna plug you guys. The Fix is having a sale, but majority of the stuff that they have is not really my style. But you guys can check them out. Maybe it's your style, you never know. I did find a top that I really like. Really like. I'm gonna put a picture on the side. I didn't buy it. I asked them to keep it for me. Apparently there's that. I don't know if it's a rule or what, but some shops have it. You can, if you like something, you don't have the money, you can ask them to put it aside for like 48 hours. If you don't come get it, they're gonna put it back on the shelves. So hakisi, let's get but yeah. I'm gonna put the picture of the top right here. I think it was 307 or 300 something, and then it's on sale for 86 pula. Really like the top, can't wait to rock it. It's summer ish though. Majority of the stuff that they have videos are summer valid, because winter. So yeah, what else did I do? Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna close up the vlog here. I'm gonna do my hair. I need to undo the whatever's underneath this bonnet, but I'm gonna start a new vlog, brand new vlog tomorrow. That's gonna be up next week, ciao. Okay, we're back to being consistent. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really appreciate you guys' support, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and make sure to like this video. It helps me up a lot. It really helps me a lot. So yeah, bye guys.